Hi guys, today I wanted to show you how I would pin something on my Pinterest board. First I'm going to show you how to get to Pinterest. So I would go here to my Safari and I would go here to the search bar here and enter the Pinterest website. Mine already pops up, so I'm just going to click enter and it'll take me straight to it. And here I'm already, I'm sorry, I don't know, this exercise pops up, sorry about that. But so I would go, here already my profile, I'm already logged in. So if we wanted to search vegan recipes, we could go here on the search bar and click vegan recipes. And it would take us to all these recipes. So if we see one that we wanted to try, so if we wanted to try these veggie loaded avocado quesadillas, we would click on this one. And if you click on the picture itself, it will take you to the actual recipe itself, where it's originally from. And here, it would give you a step-by-step instructions and all the ingredients that you need and stuff like that. So, but also here on back to the Pinterest website, down at the bottom, it will also list the ingredients for you. But I find it easier to go to the actual website where it came from because it will give you step-by-step instructions. Anyway, so I would want to pin this here and I would click save. And we would want to pin it to a board, and I already have a board named Vegan Meals, so I would want to save it to this board here. So I would click save and pin it there. And then I would go back to feed, and if I wanted to pull that pin back up later on when I was trying to make the recipe, I would go to my profile here and I would search for it under the board where I put it, and I would go to vegan meals, and here it shows where it's at, the quesadillas we pinned, and that's where I would pull it up.